Hi students, CET 2021 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸಿನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡೋಣ. The question, first question, 16th questions. If vector A is perpendicular to vector B and vector A plus vector B is perpendicular to vector A plus m into vector B, then the value of m is the options. First options -1, second option 1, third options 0 and fourth options minus magnitude of vector A whole square divided by magnitude of vectors B square. Here vector A is perpendicular to vectors B. It means vector A dot vector B is equal to 0 ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. And given that vector A plus B is perpendicular to vectors A plus m into vectors B, means its dot product is 0. It implies vector A plus vector B dot vector A plus m into vectors B is equal to 0. Then the value of m is, here the dot product is distributive property exists. It means vector A dot vector A plus vector m into B means vector A dot vectors A means we know that magnitude of vector A whole square plus m into vectors A dot B, given that A is perpendicular to B means its value is 0. Similarly, plus vector B dot vector A, its value is 0, plus m is a scalar quantity. Vectors B dot vectors B means you know that magnitude of vector B whole square is equal to 0. It implies m into magnitude of vector B whole square is equal to minus magnitude of vector A whole square. The m into magnitude of vector B square is equal to minus magnitude of vector A whole square. Therefore, m is equal to minus magnitude of vector A whole square divided by magnitude of vector B whole square. ಇದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ fourth option ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Therefore, the fourth option is the right option. The next question. Question number 17. If vector A, vector B, vector C are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, then the magnitude of vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to, options are root 3, second option is 3, third option 1 and fourth options root of A square plus B square plus C square divided by 3. Given that vector A, vector B, vector C are mutually perpendicular unit vector, it means magnitude of vector A is equal to magnitude of vector B equal to magnitude of vector C is equal to 1. Clear? And these three are mutually perpendicular vectors means vector A dot B is equal to vector B dot C is equal to vector C dot A. This value is always equal to 0. Vector A dot B 0, vector B dot C is 0, vector C dot A is equal to 0. And also you know that the algebra of vectors, vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to its whole square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ its value is vector A plus B plus vector C dot vector A plus vector B plus vector C ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ A whole square, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ A ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ B ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರು ಪ್ಲಸ್ C ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ದ ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ A dot vectors B ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ B dot vector C ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ C dot vector A ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, this value is equal to magnitude of vector A is 1 unit, A is 1, A square is 1, B 1, B square is 1, C square is also equal to 1 plus 2 into 0, this value is 0, therefore its value is equal to 3. Therefore, the magnitude of vector A plus vector b plus vector c is always equal to root 3. Therefore, magnitude of vector a plus vector b plus vector c is equal to the first option alli. Therefore, the first option is the right option. The next question, if magnitude of vector a is 1 unit, magnitude of vector b is 2 unit, magnitude of vectors a plus b is equal to 3 unit, then the magnitude of vectors a minus b is, options are 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit and 5 unit. Here also, here you know the result, one results ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ vector a plus b, magnitude of vector a plus b whole square plus magnitude of vectors a minus b whole square is always equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Algebraic results true ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 2 times magnitude of vectors a whole square plus magnitude of vectors b whole square. ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ 3 ಇದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 9 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1, 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ 1, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2, 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಈಸ್ 5 into 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 10 ಆಯಿತು. Therefore, the magnitude of vectors a minus b whole square is equal to 10 minus 9, its value is equal to 1. Therefore, magnitude of vectors a minus b is equal to 1. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Therefore, the first option is the right option. The next question, question number 19. If magnitude of vector a is equal to 2, magnitude of vector b is equal to 5 and magnitude of vectors a cross b is equal to 8 unit, then magnitude of vectors a dot b is, the options are first option 4, second options 2, third options 5 and fourth options 6. Here also remember the one important results, magnitude of vectors a cross b whole square plus magnitude of vectors a dot b whole square is equal to, here you know that a cross b whole square means magnitude of a square into magnitude of b square into sin square theta. ಹಾಗೆ a dot b whole square means magnitude of a square into magnitude of b square into sin square theta. Here you know the values of magnitude of a whole square into magnitude of b whole square. Common terms ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ sin square plus cos square theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ, its value is 1. Therefore, magnitude of vectors a cross b whole square plus a dot b whole square is equal to always magnitude of a square into magnitude of b square. ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಡಿಬೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ a cross b whole square means 8, 8 square means 64 plus a dot b magnitude of vectors a dot vectors b whole square is equal to a square means 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and b square means 25. Its value is equal to 4 into 25. Its value is equal to 100 ಆಯಿತು. Therefore, magnitude of vectors a dot b whole square is equal to 100 minus 64. This value is equal to 36. Therefore, magnitude of vectors a dot b is equal to root 36 means its value is equal to 6. Is the answer. 6 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Fourth option ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Therefore, the fourth option is the right option. The next questions, question number 20th. The number of vectors of unit length perpendicular to the vectors a and b is, the options are 1, 2, third option is 3 and fourth option is infinite. You know that this one is, suppose is the vectors a, this one is vectors a and this one is the vectors b ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, here the number of unit vector, unit length perpendicular to the A and B. You know the vector, it is perpendicular to both A and B. This one is called the A cross B. Is a vector perpendicular to both the vectors A and B. Here suppose you said that the direction is perpendicular to these two vectors is denoted by n cap. And one more vectors you get, it is perpendicular to the one more vector, it is perpendicular to both A and B, means it is exactly equal to, this one is the vectors minus n cap. This value is B cross A, not A cross B, it is a B cross A. It is perpendicular to A and it also it is perpendicular to B ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, the two vectors perpendicular to both A and B, therefore, the correct option is 2. Two vectors perpendicular, unit length perpendicular to both the given vectors. The next question, question number 21. The value of lambda for which the vectors 3i minus the value of lambda for which the vectors 3i minus 6j plus k and 2i minus 4j plus lambda k are parallel is, the options are, the first options 2 by 3, second options 3 by 2, third options 5 by 2 and fourth options 2 divided by 5. Yes, here suppose you say that this one is vector A. Vector A, the directions ratios are 3 comma minus 6 comma 1 and the second vector is B. The directions ratios are 2 comma minus 4 comma lambda. Given that vector A is parallel to vectors B, it implies you know that vectors A and vectors B are collinear. These two vectors are collinear. It implies directions ratios are proportional. It means 3 divided by 2 is equal to minus 4 divided 6 by minus 4 is equal to 1 by lambda. It implies 1 by lambda. It implies 1 by lambda is equal to 3 divided by 2. Therefore, the value of lambda is equal to reciprocal 2 divided by 3. That is 2 by 3 allide, first option allide. Therefore, the correct option is the first option. The next question, question number 22. The sum of the two unit vector is a unit vectors. The magnitude of their difference is, the options are 2, root 2, 1 and root 3. Here also, you know that given that the sum of the two unit vectors, suppose you say that vector A and vectors B, the unit vectors means magnitude of vector A is equal to 1 and the magnitude of vector B is equal to 1, and also given that sum of the two unit vector is unit vectors means, and also given that magnitude of vectors A plus vector B is also equal to 1. Then find the magnitude of their difference. It means here finding magnitude of vectors A minus B. ಇದು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೊಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ A plus B whole square plus magnitude of vectors A minus B whole square is equal to 2 times magnitude of vectors A whole square plus magnitude of vector B whole square. It means A plus B is a unit vectors, magnitude is 1 plus magnitude of the vectors A minus B whole square is equal to 2 into magnitude of vector A is 1, 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 andre 2, 2 into 2 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, you get magnitude of vectors A minus vector B whole square is equal to 4 minus 1 andre 3. Therefore, magnitude of vectors A minus B is equal to root 3. That is root 3 lies in fourth option. Therefore, the fourth option is the right option. The next questions, question number 23. If theta is the angle between a plus b, vector a plus vector b and vector a minus vector b, where vector a is 2 plus 3 I plus 2j minus 3k, vector b is 3i minus j plus 2k, then the value of theta is, the first one is 30 degree, second option 60 degree, third option is 90 degree, fourth option is 0 degree. Here also vector a is given, vector a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma minus 3 and vector b is equal to 3 comma minus 1 comma 2. Here find the angle between the vectors a and b means, suppose here finding vector a plus b dot product to vectors a minus b. Here you know that vectors a plus b, vector a plus b dot vector a minus b is equal to magnitude of vector a square minus magnitude of vector b square. This result naಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Here magnitude of vector a square means 1 square plus 2 square plus 9 square, its value is 1 plus 4 plus 9, its value is 14, minus, so magnitude of vector b square means 9 plus 1 plus 4, its value is also 14, it means its value is equal to 0. Therefore, angle between these two vectors is equal to 90 degree. Now, direct agi helbodu. Otherwise, here find the angle between these two vectors means you know that the value of cos theta is equal to, cos theta is equal to, theta is the angle between these two. Suppose this one is vector c anta helidre, idu vectors d anta helidre, c dot d divided by magnitude of vector c into magnitude of vectors d ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Here also first numerator ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, c dot t ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ theta is equal to 90 degree, ಅದು third option ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Therefore, the correct option is third option. The next question. The sine of the angle between the vectors I minus 2j plus 3k and 2i plus j plus k is, the options are, the first one is 5 divided by 2 into root 7. The second option is 3 divided by root 14. Third option is 5 divided by root 7. And fourth option is 5 divided by root 21. Here also, assume that vector A is equal to, vector A is 1 comma minus 2 comma 3. And vector B, the second vector B is equal to 2 comma 1 comma 1. Then here find the angle between the vectors A and B is, you find the value of cos theta. But here finding the value of sin theta, better to first find the cos theta. Cos theta is A dot B. It means numerator 1 into 2, here 2 direct agi helbodu. Minus 2 into 1 means minus 2, 3 into 1 means plus 3. Its value is equal to 3 divided by square root of magnitude of a square 1 plus 4 plus 9 into magnitude of b square 4 plus 1 plus 1. Its value is equal to 3 divided by root 14 into root 6. It's clear? This value is 9, 3 square, 1 square is 1 minus 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9, root 14 into root 6. Then here find the value of sin theta. What is the value of sin theta? You know that root of 1 minus cos square theta. Its value is equal to root of square root of 1 minus cos square theta means 9 divided by 14 into 6. 14 into 6 means 84. Its value is equal to square root of 84 minus 9, its value is 75 divided by 84. That 75 divided by 84, this can be written as square root of, here 75 means 25 into 3 divided by 84 can be written as 12 into 7, right? 12 into 7, 3134. Therefore, this value is the value of sin theta is equal to root 25 means 5 divided by root 4 means 2 into root 7. ಇದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ first option alide. Therefore, the first option is the right options. Or you write its value is equal to sin theta is equal to, using the cross product, magnitude of vectors A cross B divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ 5 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 5 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, the 25th questions. If A and B are the unit vectors such that magnitude of vectors A plus B is 1, it means A plus B is a unit vectors, then the angle between the vectors A and B is, the options are pi by 3, pi by 6, 2 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 6. Here given that magnitude of A is equal to 1 unit, magnitude of B is also is equal to 1 unit, and also given that magnitude of A plus B is equal to 1 unit. These three are the unit vectors. Then the angle between the vectors A and B is, you know the results. One result naಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, magnitude of vectors A plus B whole square is always equal to magnitude of vector A square plus magnitude of vectors B square plus 2 times vectors A dot B. A dot B means magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. Here theta is the angle between these two vectors A and B ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Here substitute the values. 1 square is 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 into 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ cos theta ಆಯಿತು. Therefore 2 times cos theta is equal to minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore cos theta is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? cos ಇಂದು cos of 2 pi by 3 ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore angle between these two vectors equal to 2 pi by 3. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Therefore the third option is the right options. These are the very simple problems. ಯೂಸ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ CET ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬಹುದಾದಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನಿನ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.